Do you think much about your target demographic, or is it more about what you want to make?
No, very much so. Okay. Well, actually, it's a combination of those two things. I'll tell you what it is. On Shockwave.com, their demographic tends to be women 55 and older. So I've done a lot of things targeting them. But you know what I've discovered about the kinds of things that I make is that I do have a knack for coming up with puzzles or games that can be played by anybody. That sometimes there's no timer, but it's the aha moment that if the aha moment comes 10 seconds into it, because the puzzle is being played by a super genius, okay? That's great. If the aha moment comes, 10 minutes into it, that's fine, as long as the person playing it gets the aha moment and doesn't matter to them. And I'm finding the same thing is applying to the demographics, that if we have 55-year-old people that may be getting stuff a little more quickly, a puzzle or two more quickly than a 20-year-old, if they both get the aha moment, great. And then in other cases, the 20-year-old or the 16-year-old is getting a puzzle more quickly than the 55-year-old because they know more about Justin Timberlake, then that's great. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to create puzzles that have an entertainment value, this aha moment that works for all age levels, and we're trying to kind of mix it up so that everyone is satisfied. Now, what's interesting is a lot of thought went into doing that with just 2 words. And all the data that we're seeing so far is that 33% of our audience is like, 45 and older, 50 and older. 33% of it is, 25 to 45 or 50, and 33% of it is 16 to 25. So we actually do feel like we've kind of done something that we've never been able to do this time with just 2 words, and that is that we've been able to appeal to everybody. And I think the whole key to it is entertainment. You have to entertain it. You have to entertain the solver. And it doesn't matter if it takes the solver 10 seconds or 2 days, as long as they feel satisfied, they'll come back.